So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as I've mentioned before in my recent videos that I need to buy good action camera for my motovlogging, so I ended up buying the GoPro Hero 9, and the reason it took me this much time to buy it because I was confused between the Insta360 4K edition, the DJI-2 action camera and the GoPro Hero 9, and I went with the GoPro because when I compared it with the Insta360, the GoPro offers more quality, and when I compared it with the DJI, I went with the GoPro because of the durability. The DJI had lot of complications and issues, so I ended up buying this. So without any further delay, let's unbox this and set it up on my helmet. So we got some stickers, a user manual, and a subscription, a C-type USB cable, a adhesive mount, a thumb screw, a rechargeable battery, and a mounting buckle. And this is our camera. I don't know if you can see properly, but it is beautiful. I'm so excited. Look how small it is. It can just fit in my hand, and that's it. So we have to open this side door to put in our battery, and now we just close it. And now I have to insert a memory card, and it got a dual screen, and this is GoPro mic adapter, and without this we cannot connect any external mic. And now to set up the GoPro on helmet, we need this helmet strap mount, which we have to tie here, and this Ulanzi GoPro case to hold the GoPro in it. Now we have to take the GoPro and remove this side door completely. And now without this side door, the battery is exposed now. So now we have to take our case, put the GoPro in it, and now we have to close this side door which came with the case. Now our GoPro is secure, and then we have to strap this helmet strap mount to helmet tightly. And now to connect the external mic, we're gonna take the mic adapter, put it through the compartment given below the case, and now we have to connect to the camera through here. And then, so I bought this mono mic. And this is TRS to TRRS converter, and we need this because our mic comes with a TRRS pin, and the GoPro mic adapter only supports TRS pin. So this is the difference between TRS and TRRS. And now we have to connect this and now we have to connect this TRS to TRRS converter here, and now we have to put this whole wire inside the helmet padding like this. If you can see, I have put that whole wire inside this padding here, and now I'm gonna remove this thumb screw here, install the GoPro and tighten it back. And now all I have to do is just connect the mic here, and that's it. We are good to go. So the camera is safe and secure now. It won't go anywhere, but I think I might face some issues in the audio while doing high speeds because of this TRS to TRRS converter. It is so stiff, it might wobble while doing high speeds. I need to get something flexible, but for now it gets the job done, and now we are good to go. I think you can hear me properly now, but I think you might hear my voice very loudly because the mic is very near to my mouth. I don't know yet, I have to check it after going home. So if it is loud, I'll move my mic a little bit far from my mouth. So we are So I'm going to pick up my friend now, and then we're gonna go watch some sunset anywhere. Hey, jaldi raa be, ensepu vaadu late chesindu. So we're gonna go watch some sunset anywhere. We're gonna test our new camera today. I think I'm gonna take few photos, capture some time lapses, and we're gonna test this camera at night. We'll see how it works at night. So let's see. అరే మజా ఉంది తెలుసా వ్యూ. గోప్రో నుంచి చూస్తున్నావా? అరే నేను అమ్మాయి గురించి మాట్లాడలేంట్రా, నేను గోప్రో నుంచి చూసినా వ్యూ మజా ఉంది మామ అంటున్నా. అది మొత్తం రికార్డ్ అయింది ఇప్పుడు. I think the camera is wobbling a little bit inside this mount. I don't know if it makes any difference. Look at these roads, man. I'm loving it. I'm not a rash driver. I look where I go. So until now, there is a So until now I was shooting in 2.7K 60 fps, and now I'm shooting in 1080 60 fps. Can you spot any difference? I don't know. We have to check it after going home. Look at that view, man. So the view is totally worth it. You can come here for the weekend rides and evening rides, but you have to start a little bit early for the sunset. But do come here, visit this and enjoy. And if you're from around Nizamabad, do visit this place, but start early, don't meet me. I'm gonna drop the exact location in the description and I will show it here on the screen. So this will be the so this will be the quality of the video. Are maatladagara nee baata showroom So this will be the quality of the video in low light conditions. I think it's doing pretty good. We can't say it now, I have to check it after reaching home. I think it mostly depends on the settings in. So I think I'll end this video now. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Big rides are coming soon. Big rides are coming soon. Soon I'm gonna update you people. So thank you.